The next fundamental, stop, for goodness sake, stop talking about time. Stop talking about trading time for dollars. You know, it's $80 for a 30-minute consultation. So you health professionals for years keep referring back to the time of the consultation. And chiropractors have been killing physio, certainly in Australia, for years, because they rarely talk about how long the consultation goes for. It's just that chiropractors talk about the adjustment or the treatment. Yet it seems that physios are very adamant about pushing how much time they spend. Oh, it's initial consult's half an hour, Mr. Johnson. So you don't usually get that from other professions. So be careful about talking about time. So stop talking about how long your consultation lasts. People don't pay for 30 minutes, for 20 minutes or 10 minutes of care. They pay for the outcome. Now, my favorite stories, I've got a couple of great stories. My favorite story is the dentist. The guy goes to the dentist and the dentist has a look at him and says, oh, you need to have that tooth taken out. Oh, he says, oh, how long is that going to take? So it'll take a couple of minutes. And how much? $300? The guy says, well, $300, that's a lot of money for a couple of minutes. The dentist says, I can take longer if you like. Bottom line, it's not about the time, it's about the outcome. Do you want the pain to go away? That's what it costs. I love the story about the plumber. So the plumber what's plumber got to do with health businesses? Well, I'll tell you now. The plumber gets called to the person's home, investigates the problem. He said, oh, yes. You've got a flow limitation event. Sorry, he's got a blocked pipe, but it's a flow limitation event. And in that event, it's how much to fix it? It's $200. Okay, the person pays the $200. The guy walks along the plumber, hits the pipe with it, gets a spanner, walks along, okay, hits the pipe. Things unblocked, he's a genius. The guy's a bit upset. He's saying, on it's $200 to hit the pipe with a spanner. The plumber said, you don't understand. It was only $10 to hit the pipe with the spanner. It was $190 to know where to hit it and not hit it too hard to break the pipe. Now, you get the idea, it's not about the time, it's about the outcome.